Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Naz.
And I'm Alba, and today we are in Madrid, Spain. But tomorrow we are traveling to our most favorite place in Spain, which happens to be an island, and it is paradise.
We've been traveling Southeast Asia for the past 2.5 months. And yeah, it feels so good to be home for a few days. One of the reasons why we came back was because our passports were expiring, so that's a problem. Alba's renewed hers, I still have to renew mine, but hey, here we are, this is life.
And while we were in Southeast Asia, a lot of people were asking us, oh, why are you leaving? You haven't seen much because Southeast Asia is so big. But what they don't know is that summer in Europe is amazing. So we definitely want to spend some time here during this time of the year, and that's what we're going to be doing.
Ever since the pandemic, airports became a little different. A lot of people from airlines and from the airport staff got fired all around the world. So right now, airports, especially in Europe, are struggling to meet the demands because everyone's kind of revenge traveling. So yeah, a lot of the flights have been cancelled, and we're trying to figure out if ours will or not.
On top of that, there is currently a strike of some of the low-cost airlines in Spain because, yeah, they feel like they are short-staffed and they're not getting paid enough. And we are flying with one of these airlines tomorrow. So we're going to take you along with us in the journey so you can see whether the experience is smooth or there are any issues right now traveling within Europe and Spain. After being away for so long, because we were in Southeast Asia for 2.5 months, obviously we had a lot of admin to take care of here in the house and in Spain, our documents and so on. So that's what we've been doing. But now it's time to go. After only a few days here, it's time to pack. I went to get my hair done this morning because it was heavily mistreated during the trip. And now it is time to make our bags. Right, we are traveling with hand luggage, which actually feels a bit weird because we've been traveling with backpacks for such a long time, like the whole year. So yeah, now we've got to fit everything in here. Let's see, I think I'm gonna have to get rid of some clothes. It's actually so hot in Madrid, like over 40 degrees because there is a heat wave. So we're really looking forward to going to the islands where there is a bit of an ocean breeze and it's not as hot as in here. Yeah. Something we cannot forget is the Uno. This is not paid promotion, by the way. Uno, if you want to sponsor us, go for it, because we love this game. In summer it's just so much fun. In the evenings we spend it playing it with my parents and my family, so I have to take it. What are you taking?
Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this one and this one. And now I need to think, okay, if I take this, I think it's pretty summer, right? I like it. And I want to take one more shirt. Oh, my funky.
Oh yeah, I like that
this
one.
This is nice. So you're gonna have to hold this for me.
Starting to get heavy over here. It's a shoulder workout. Hey.
Okay. And I want to take this one too.
Okay, that's enough. We are also taking our tennis rackets because we like to play tennis in this place that we go almost every day. So we're gonna have to carry them like on our shoulders, and hopefully they don't say anything about it on the plane. It is time. The day has come to travel to this amazing place. So we're about to get our bags and head out to the airport.
So excited. Not about traveling in itself, but to get there.
Yeah, the airport is always the worst part, but let's get it done. Look! Innovation. I'm ready. Tortilla and coffee. Our flight was actually on time, and even though the airport in Madrid was really busy, it didn't seem too chaotic. So we are happy that we got here on time and everything went smoothly. But if you are traveling in August, just keep an eye out for your flight and your airline, because it is the busiest time of the year in Europe. We just about made it towards the most beautiful sunset, because this island has incredible sunsets. And I don't know if you guessed it yet, but if you didn't, well, we are in Menorca, the most beautiful island, in my view, in Spain. And we are going to spend here quite a while, so make sure to subscribe for lots of content. Now it's late, so we're gonna have some dinner after we go in the pool because it's so hot. Good morning! Alright, this is the morning after our trip and we've made it! We've made it to Menorca. We are so happy to be here.
Yes, we are. We have so many more adventures coming in this beautiful island. But today is going to be a day of relaxing, of getting our admin done,
setting up,
editing the video that you're watching. Yeah, there's just a lot of things to do.
Yeah, but we have a lot of things planned for our stay here. We're gonna take you guys to the best beaches of Menorca. We're gonna take you to see the historical towns. We're gonna take you to
eat the best food.
Ooh, yes, the paella. Spoiler alert. And we are going to show you why we love this island. We're gonna show you those crystal clear blue waters that we won't shut up about.
So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stick around, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment. Yeah.
All of the above. Make sure to not miss out on our very exciting upcoming content of Menorca. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Woo!